Hello again. Okay, so in this video, we will learn how to create API. And there is another benefit when you create your account, when you open your account with the reference, you will get 10% fee waived from your brokerage charges. And then there is a scalping offer going on right now. It means if you trade in future, which we'll learn and understand what are the futures, if you trade within the 15 minutes, you open and close, then on your closing trade, there will be no fee. So generally, let's say if you buy 9 lot, which is a 0.009, okay, for a Bitcoin in Delta, and then suppose you are getting 1.5 or $1.5, then for placing a trade and exiting a trade. So if you close within the 15 minutes, then your closing trade fee will be 0. So you will get some benefit if you close your trade 15. With the help of algo trading, you can put things to do something within the 15 minutes. Suppose even you are getting out of $50, you are getting $10 or $8, and then you still want to make this $8 or $5 as a profit, then why to wait for more than 15 minutes? You can end it and save your closing fee. That's the advantage. We will discuss this also when we discuss about exiting the trade. Okay, let's continue my screen. Let's see how do we how do we create APIs. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so you will get this option. Yeah, let me bring this. Yeah, here it is better. Now, if you see, there is an option how do you go about API in the algo menu option. Suppose you have successfully logged in and you are inside. Then you click on algo menu and then there is a API, correct? And then if you click on your profile icon, there also you can go to the API. Both are same. Why we are creating API, because if you've seen my other FIRES videos and Indian market, it's a way to communicate delta using Python. Suppose you wanted to place trade, we want to get the price, or maybe you want to do anything, okay? You want to check, trail, anything. So we need some bridge who can communicate on behalf of us directly, So API is the way to communicate to delta, when we are sleeping, we wanted to run our strategy and you want it to take order, place an order. If the pattern found, then you need something, right? So that's the API is the agent, you can say. Okay. Now I'm going to click this way or that way, fine. It will come to here only, right? So my account is right now, I have created a separate account for this, which is a 0 balance. And that is a CRM bot right now. Okay. That's account name I have given. You can give your own if you create a separate account. Okay. Now here I can give the name what I wanted to keep. So I say, let's say I wanted to give Jai Shri Ram or CRM. Okay. Now let's see what is this whitelisted IP. It means when you're sending a request, maybe you want a price, or maybe you want a current price of the Bitcoin, or maybe you want to place an order, maybe you want to check or exit the order, maybe you wanted to get your position or your profit, anything, right? Any call you wanted to make. If now, for the security purpose, nowadays there's a lot of problem, right? So they will only allow if you will tell them that your IP address in advance, then they will only approve the request if this is coming from this IP. So whitelisting means you know your IP. How? You can go to a tab and you can say what is my IP address. There is a site. What is my IP address? Here, if you go here, there you will get your IP number. Okay. You can copy this and then you come back here and you can put it here, right? Now, here you see you are giving permission, read data and then trading, right? So there are the two permissions are given, and I'm going to click on create API key. You see, it's also saying, it's also identified my API and saying add my IP address, but it's already added, so I don't want to. So it will automatically detect your IP and you just need to click here. Fine. If you're doing with the next level bot is another bot, which if you want to utilize that, you can click. And Tradetron, you all know it's a wonderful tool, but it's little costly and little confusing for a new algo trader. So we'll see one by one everything in the Delta exchange. Okay. Now I'm going to click on create API. Okay. So here it asks me two things. Okay. It will send an email to one code on email, one email code on 2FA. So I have my 2FA, which I will give for my mobile. 2FA is a normal authentication nowadays in like Gmail, everywhere we have a 2F authentication, MFA. In the same way, when we enable it, it will, we can set up in our mobile using authenticating app, and the same number I'm going to put here. Okay. So let me open and then give here. Okay, but first I should have done email first. Otherwise, this token change in every 20 seconds, right? So first let me go to the email, copy paste, and then come back here for 2FA. Okay, I'll pause the screen before I'll open my email. Okay. Okay, now I have copy. Let me again copy. It's not copied properly. 1 minute. Should I come here? Okay, so I'll share again. So here I copy pasted from the email. Now I'm going to go to 2FA. Sorry, the email opening took some time, but now I have 2768119. And if I'll submit, now you see it's giving me two things, API key and API secret key. You can see, right? So it's saying it takes 5 minutes to become API operational. It means it required minimum 5 minutes. After that, we can utilize this API key. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to copy this and put it in front of you so that we can open it from here again. Okay. 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 Here we go. Hmm. Okay. This is API key. This is API secret key. Okay. Nothing to worry. We will utilize both of them. Okay. Where I'll tell you. So now we can see our API is created and we have given CRM, correct? And it's saying action. If we can delete, we can edit. If you click on edit, you can only see, you can add IP address. Suppose today you're working from here, today you're working from somewhere else, and then your IP is changed, then you have to update, here. Okay, just 1 minute.